Sölden was once a peaceful mining village. Today, the skiing area has over 2 million overnight guests each year. In 2010, one of the most modern cable cars in the world was opened. The mountain station is up at 3,000 meters and is set on a hydraulic base that adapts to the movements of the ground, as the station is built on permafrost stone that can shift. Works manager Gritsch is responsible for the safety of the cable car.
A basic requirement in this job is to have a head for heights. But when you haven't been up all winter and then you go up again for the first time in spring, you do get a funny feeling sometimes, but you soon get over it. It's the same for a roofer. When you haven't been up there for a while and then go up again, you have to concentrate a bit.
Not everyone is as good with heights as Michael. Some people even feel uncomfortable in the closed gondola. But safety standards are high.
Normally, if there's a problem with the cable car, we have to go to the cabins and winch the passengers down. But for this cable car, the concept of evacuation has been approved. If the gearbox breaks, we still can keep the cable cars moving.
For every engine and every flywheel, there's a substitute, which Michael and his colleagues can activate in an emergency.
Cable cars used to be relay control operated. Today, computer-assisted control systems are used. We are one of the safest modes of transport when you look at the statistics of accidents. So you don't need to be afraid in a cable car. After the winter season, the whole route is inspected. Cable rolls are exchanged if they are worn. All pylons are checked. In the cabins, we have to detach the clamps, check, oil or renew security devices.
The so-called 3S cable car is suspended from 2 track ropes. A third one pulls the gondolas to the top. As the pylons are 1,200 meters apart, the ropes and cable rolls must be very durable. Michael and his colleagues often concentrate so hard on the work at hand that they forget the dizzying heights they're in.
It's quite a view. If you have some spare minutes and can sit down, then you realize it. Otherwise, it's just a part of our working day. Just like someone who lives by the sea and spends his holidays in the mountains. Our folk down in the valley head for the coast.
Today, the mountain station lies above the clouds. Soon the skiing season will begin, and Michael's maintenance work will be done. As far as he's concerned, the skiing circus can begin.
The nice thing about the job is that it is very varied. No day is the same, and it can get quite exciting.